Put there. Fish in the water.
Yes, Marty. Yes.
Wow. And it's cool. Woo.
See there? It's something.
Oh, Jamaican Girl TV. Just enjoying the water. We're at Sweet River in Westmoreland. So I'm just enjoying the water. But it's really cold. Oh my God. This is cold. And I saw some fish. Some small tiny fish in the water. Oh. I'm not a diver. I'm not a swimmer. But I can, you know, wash in the water. Ah! Woo! This is cool. This is nice too. Oh. Woo. Look at that ball. Look at him, Easton. He's over there.
He's swimming, eh?
Yeah, you can dive and stuff. You should get eel or dive.
Killer wise.
Come on, dive off. Alright, go look for eel.
Think the Tiny Bridge. Hmm? Can you take me to in the water?
It's after 5 in the evening. Go Easton. Let's see what Easton has to do, Mr. Robinson. Let's see what he has to do. Oh my God, it's cold, ain't it? But once you start dipping. And this is Westmoreland, Jamaica. Jamaican TV. Here we are, Jamaican Girl TV. And we are at Sweet River in Westmoreland. Enjoying the evening kites after 5 in the evening. You know. Go Easton, go. Woo. You get warm, it's not so cold like they were saying it was. Hey, don't stop that. Boy, rude. Stone lick the other one in it. Come on, little one, let's dive. Woo.
Go down now.
You can't dive. I can't dive, I can only wet myself.
Go down with yourself. Jamaican Girl TV.
Whoa.
Oh,
I'm not a diver.
the kids them there too.
Go down that side.
Mother, you have to turn up.
You mean me have to turn up? Then what?
Go wet.
You'll get wet. Ah!
The fish.
This is gold. Ah! This is real cold. Hey! Colder than I thought.
Jamaican Girl TV.
Woo.
In the water.
Hey
Sweet
guys,
water.
how are you? Hey! And what's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Oh, Going to the farm, Mom?
I'm not going too far, and I'm not a diver. But this water feels good.
Yeah.
No, swim!
Next time we need to go to Rolling River.
River. Yeah.
This one we can go tomorrow or something. This is our last couple of days, so we're trying to do everything that we can before we leave the island again. And we have to come back pretty soon. Woo, the water kind of smell a little bit dryish.
Come on, around the water.
No, it's clean and clear.
Yeah.
Don't wash me over there.
Don't wash up your head. The hair. You're gonna wet.
No. Come over here, little one. Here where we are.
Okay, Marjorie.
Yeah. Where's Jason?
This is on the bridge.
He's on the bridge, he needs to come dive.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see in the water, Pila. Yeah, if you come out of the water, you go cold. But it's not that cold today. You know, tell me say cold. You don't feel that cold. When you sit in it, it's different. There were some people here, but they just left. It's after 5, so they just left. And we are just coming. Woo.
First time you're here?
Yeah.
Huh? Jamaican Girl TV, first time
Yeah,
you're here?
first time I'm here.
So how you like it?
Well, the water is warm and it feels nice and I feel like I would stay. It's very nice, it's warm. They say it would be so cold, but it feels warm. Tequila. You have to go in the water.
Very cold. This water.
Hey, guy, come in the water, man.
Yeah.
Come over here.
You're cold here. Is that what I say cold?
You want to know the water and now go so cold.
You go and go see. You go and go see. You want the money?
This sweet Jamaican water, man. Nice.
Nice,
Very cold. This
Stay
is
here all
Jamaican
day.
Girl TV
And
channel.
You stay here all day. Woo. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, smash that like button. Oh, yeah, to baptize him.
Him. You're not ducking yet. You're supposed to get a duck now. You want a duck?
No.
You want a duck? Duck. Oi, you want a duck? What is it now? Baptize.
The name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost.
Baptize, alright? God bless you.
Oh, baptism.
Yeah. Yeah, load it up, load it up. Yeah, alright.
Come on, now make your weed wet up. Make your weed wet up.
So we tell us that the water cold, brother, yeah.
Come, it's not so cold now. Wet it. Ah.
The water cold, man. The water cold, fuck.
If you come out and go back in, it's cold, but it's not really cold right now. If you sit under it, like what I'm doing, it's not that cold. You gone? Oh. You afraid? He's afraid of the water because he died.
You got to tell him what the water cold.
He's afraid.
You know, but I come right.
Nah, but that come in. But he could come in.
Eh?
You have 20%. So
Water cool.
20% of the battery.
Left?
20% of the battery.
You cool too, because you attack.
Yeah, when you
The
stand
water
up
is
and
very
come out,
cold,
the
man.
water.
Nice view. The fish on.
This one fish.
Yeah, man. Fly.
Be careful, don't fall.
Really? Water is too cold.
Yeah, get out.
You're gone, Gil.
The breeze that blow up. You want to see it?
Nice rock. Can use your clean off your foot. Have some nice stone in the river.
In the water.
Come on. You want to go to the water? You want to see it?
This one not here.
River stone. All right, Marge.
Yeah, no, I still don't want something.
I can go there, sir. Can go right there.
I'm going to sit down right back over and go. We walk.
There's a slipper, you know. You cannot go over there.
Really? You have what? This is a sliding.
Yeah, tell her.
Yeah.
No, I sit down
Yeah,
on this
yes,
floor.
Marge, right there.
You're gone. Come and give me a helping hand. Wow. Some of these stones are pretty sharp. But I want to sit. Wow. I want to sit over here.
Yeah, like yeah. Stone so sharp.
When you pila doing that? Man pila.
Take the stone is clean up your foot.
When you go to the beauty salon, this is what they do. And you pay a lot of money for it. Look how the stone can get for free. That's why I know I'm Jamaican girl. And you're watching Jamaican Girl TV. Use it to scrub your foot or rub your heels. There's a lot of stuff Jamaican I can show you. Because I'm Jamaican girl. I'm used to all of this stuff. All of it. I'm used to it. Woo! I'm not sure. Wash it up on your foot. And you can always grab another stone. So clean it, look. Let me show you. It's very clean. And this is my first time being over here. I've never been here before.
Rock, then I'll juke up my foot down. walk. Ready?
Yeah. My God. Come east and give me a hand. Step over here. Stretch your hand out. Don't pull me, don't pull me. Woo. Woo. Water is nice. I thought it was colder than that. The way they say cold, I thought it was a lot colder. No, it's not.
So you're enjoying the water?
Yes, I do. It wasn't that cold, maybe because it's in the evening. It's not that cold.
Let's try and get some water now. No, I'm back up. There.
Yeah, you gonna get one for your bucket? Oh yeah, get some. Let me hold it and you get the water. Spring water is very good, so Mr. Robbins is gonna get some water. Be careful, don't fall. Oh, my foot, I gotta go back in my slippers.
Wash it out, Margie. Come. Come here. Here, put it on here.